Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to replace the pickup roller on HP LaserJet P3015. I will show you. I have bought a new one. This is my new roller. First, remove the paper tray. And let's see what we have here. Here we have our pickup roller, as known as paper feed roller. How to replace it? With a small flat screwdriver, push to the left this white clutch and rotate it this way and push to the left. Replace this black cover and take the pickup roller out. Here is our old pickup roller. Here is our new one. We have to transfer these rollers here. Again with a small screwdriver, just push this hook and take it out. Take this out. Here we have a spring here. And again from the other side, release these two white hooks, and here we are ready to transfer all the things to the new roller. Put the spring in. And now we are ready to put our new pickup roller in the printer. Here is our roller. Push on the left side to fit in here. Now we have to put in place this black cover. First from the right side in the hole here, and keep with one hand, and we have to put here this white clutch a little bit rotated, as you see, and rotate it back, and that's it. We have a new pickup roller. Thank you very much and good luck.